Welcome back to Built Bizarre. Today we're diving into the rhythmic, fiery world of pharmaceutical glass. The word ampoule originates from the Latin ampulla, meaning a small jar or flask. While the concept of small glass vessels dates back to ancient Rome and the Middle Ages, often used to store sacred oils or the blood of martyrs, the modern pharmaceutical ampoule was a 19th century breakthrough. In the 1840s, ampoules were first used to store chloroform for anesthesia. However, it was French pharmacist Stanislas Limousin who, in the 1890s, perfected the hermetically sealed glass ampoule. His invention solved the critical problem of injectable drugs deteriorating or becoming contaminated during transport, revolutionizing sterile drug delivery. By the early 20th century, companies like Schott began mass-producing these containers, which today hold over 40% of the world's injectable solutions. Step 1. The vertical feed. The process begins with a massive carousel. Long, hollow tubes of high-quality borosilicate glass are loaded vertically. This isn't your average window glass. It's designed to withstand extreme chemical reactions and thermal shock. As the machine spins, gravity does the heavy lifting, feeding the tubes into the mechanical fingers of the production line. Step 2. The ring of fire, preheating. As the carousel rotates, the glass enters a gauntlet of gas-oxygen torches. You'll notice the flames change color as they hit the glass. This is the preheating phase. If you heat glass too fast, it shatters. The machinery slowly brings the tubing to a molten state, roughly 1,200 degrees Celsius, until the solid glass begins to behave like honey. Step 3. Molecular stretching. This is where it gets bizarre. Mechanical grippers seize the softened glass and pull. Using a combination of centrifugal force and precise mechanical tension, the machine stretches the molten glass to create the neck and shoulder of the ampoule. The wall thickness must be accurate to within microns. If it's too thin, it breaks in a doctor's hand. Too thick, and it won't snap open. From a raw tube to a life-saving vessel in under 2 minutes. That is the bizarre precision of the ampoule factory. From raw materials to a finished masterpiece. That is the bizarre world of manufacturing. If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop a like and share this video with that one friend who always asks, "How does that work?" To join the Built Bizarre community, hit subscribe and toggle that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.